Welcome back to MiiBooth. Irfan here, and get ready for another Wi-Fi camera today. Now, this is the new and improved Tapo C210 from tplink, successor to the C200 which I reviewed last year. It is an indoor home security camera which sports a 3 megapixels resolution, night vision as far as 30 feet, motion detection notifications to your smartphone, and an easy to use smartphone app. Not to forget, it also works with Alexa and Google Assistant. I'll leave a link below if you want to check it out. For now, it's enough talking. Let's go ahead and do some unboxing.
If gadget reviews, DIY projects, and life hacks are your thing, then consider subscribing to my booth and turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss out on any of the action.
Here is the box, quite descriptive as usual. You can find pretty much all the camera can do on the box itself. Inside we have a bunch of paperwork, our Tapo C210 camera, a power adapter, a mounting plate and some screws, as well as a paper template to assist in mounting the camera on the wall or ceiling. The camera is pretty standard. It's lightweight, looks very durable. It has quite a contemporary yet minimal design. There's a micro SD card slot that reveals itself if you roll the camera lens upwards. It can accommodate up to a 256 GB memory card. Now, first step is to decide where you want to keep it. You can simply place it on a high place like a table or a cabinet, or mount it upside down on the ceiling. Now, once you do that, it's time to plug it in and download the Tapo app from App Store or Google Play. TP-Link has one app to manage all devices, and as you can see, I already have my RGB bulb connected, which I've been using for almost a year now, and it works great. When you plug in the camera and wait for around 10 seconds, the LED above the camera lens start blinking red and green. Now that is when it is ready for connection. So you simply click on the plus icon in the app, select from the models menu your model, which is C210, click next, and now go to your Wi-Fi settings in the phone and connect to a Wi-Fi connection with the name Tapo in it. When you do that and return to the app will magically connect the camera to your home Wi-Fi once you enter your Wi-Fi name and password, of course. Also keep in mind it only supports 2.4G connections and not 5G. Give it a couple of seconds and then finally rename your device if you want to, and you can also select where you will be placing the camera. This helps if you have multiple devices across your home and office. And that's about it. Your camera is now ready to roll, quite literally actually. Now you can access live feed of the camera from anywhere as long as you have internet. You can spin the camera around by going to the pan tilt tab. You can tilt it up or down. You can put it in a horizontal or vertical cruise and just have a good look around where you've placed it. You can even mark a position in the camera's frame or in the room, like a baby's crib or something similarly important like a PlayStation 5. And you can quickly navigate to the marked spot by simply clicking on the thumbnail in the Marks tab. You can switch to multiple cams viewing mode if you have more than one. You can take a picture or start recording a video. Now these pictures and videos are being directly recorded onto your phone. If you want the camera to record locally, you'll have to install a memory card in it. It can support up to 256 GB of a memory card, and a 256 GB memory card is capable of recording around 512 hours, which would be around 21 days of continuous surveillance. You can change the camera's microphone sensitivity or go to full screen from here as well. Now, it's a great and affordable way to keep an eye on your house, kids, or just the furniture when you're not home. If you're placing it somewhere where you're not expecting any visitors, the camera can actually let you know if anyone does show up. To switch this on, simply go to Settings, Detections and Alerts, and turn on Motion Detection Alerts. Now, whenever the camera detects any motion, you'll immediately get a notification on your phone. You can also select a specific zone within the camera frame, so it will only trigger a notification when it detects motion in that part of the room. You can even scare away unwanted visitors by turning on the camera alarm under the same settings. Now when it detects motion, it lets out a siren to shoo away any intruders. If you want to deliver a custom message in your own sweet voice to anyone on the other side of the camera, you can do that too. And that too in more than one way. See these two buttons here, talk and voice call. When you go to talk, there is this walkie-talkie sort of a button which you will have to keep pressed to talk. Hello, can you hear me? As soon as you let go, it stops. When you press the voice call, it's basically like a phone call. You can talk and hear at the same time. Alright, so this is the Tapo C210 voice call test. Now I'm actually outside the room and I'm talking into my phone with the voice call option activated, and the little speaker on the back of the camera head should be able to deliver my voice nice and clear into the room. And by the way, you don't need these options to listen to who's on the other side. That is always on, along with the video. These options help you communicate with them. It also has 4 infrared LEDs which switch on automatically when it detects low light and can see up to 30 feet from the camera in complete darkness. You can, however, switch them on manually as well. Okay, what else do we have? You can access the recordings from here, whether they're on the memory card or your phone. Privacy mode puts the surveillance on a temporary hold. To wrap it up, we have a couple more features, like you can share the device with your family members or friends who can also access it and manage it to some extent from the application. 3 megapixels resolution is great. It's quite clear and sharp for a security camera, but you do need a strong internet connection for it. Otherwise, better keep it at 1080p or 720p for an uninterrupted feed. Now, I think we have covered pretty much everything. All in all, it is an affordable home security camera which pretty much ticks all the boxes. It is small, versatile, covers 360 degrees, local recording plus smartphone access, night vision, two-way audio communication, motion detection alarms. It is great for people who have to leave kids at home to go to work or travel a lot while leaving their home unattended, or in general anyone who needs some sense of security when it comes to their belongings. I'll leave a link in the description box below in case you want to check it out. That's it for now, guys. If you enjoyed what you saw, hit the like button below, share the video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to MiiBooth for more gadget reviews, DIYs, and life hacks. You can also follow me on Instagram and other social media. All the links are in the description box below. Click on the thumbnails to watch my other videos, or check out my YouTube channel for more. And as always, thanks for watching.